Hey everyone, Gabe here from Stack & Clients. Today I'm taking you behind the scenes of our build before buy approach with a real example. I'm going to show you 3 complete web assets that we built for a career services expert looking to scale into high ticket coaching. If you're watching this and you're a career advisory space, pay close attention. This could be your blueprint. And as for our Stack & Clients subscribers, you're getting a masterclass in how we structure premium B2B offers and the psychology behind each conversion element. Let's dive in. All right, here we're looking at the complete VSL landing page that we built. Now, if you're in the career services space, this page is specifically designed around your market dynamics and pain points. Let me walk you through every section and explain the strategic psychology behind every element. Starting with the hero section, stop applying and start attracting. This headline does 3 critical things simultaneously. First, it immediately identifies the core frustration of the target market, the endless application cycle that yields no results. Second, it positions the solution as attraction-based rather than effort-based, which is psychology appealing to overworked professionals. Third, it creates a pattern interrupt. Most career services say apply better, while this says stop applying altogether. The subheadline reinforces this by addressing the specific audience, which triggers curiosity and positions the solution as insider knowledge. Now, here's where the conversion psychology gets sophisticated. The "Are you trapped in an AI black hole" section doesn't just identify a problem, it validates the prospect's existing frustration while introducing a villain they might not be aware of. Notice how we've structured this. We acknowledge their accomplishments first, you're an accomplished successful leader, and then introduce the external enemy, AI gatekeepers. And finally, connecting to their personal experience of feeling invisible despite their qualifications. The statistics here, the 75% of resumes are filtered out by algorithms before a human ever sees them, serves as social proof that this isn't personal failing but a systemic issue. This relieves psychological pressures while creating urgency. The lost income angle quantifies the emotional cost in dollars, which is crucial for justifying a premium investment later in the funnel. The expertise section is where we establish authority. Notice how we don't say we're experts. We specify former IBM HR director and executive recruiter of 20 plus years. It's insider authority from the other side of the hiring process. The reviewed 10,000 resumes and 21 and 22 ATS score achievement provide quantifiable proof points that demonstrate both volume of experience and measurable results. Now, here's the core differentiator, the dual language optimization methodology. This isn't just a feature, it's a proprietary system that addresses the specific problems we identified earlier. We explain exactly how it works. Optimized for machines to pass AI screening, compelling to humans for final decisions. This bridges the gap between the technical reality of modern hiring and the human element that still drives final decisions. The case study section provides different scenarios, different industries, different challenges, but consistent results. Sarah's story shows transformations from completely invisible to beating 150 plus candidates. Michael's story demonstrates quantifiable financial gain. The federal position story shows speed of results. Each case study follows the same pattern: struggle, intervention, specific outcome, which allows prospects to see themselves in these scenarios. Finally, the "this isn't for everyone" section. This creates exclusivity while pre-qualifying prospects. Limited to 12 clients per quarter establishes scarcity, while the language around strategic investment and select few professionals positions this as a premium offering for serious buyers, not a commodity service. Now let's take a look at the proposal we built. This is where we transition from interest to achievement. And if you're watching this as someone in the career services, this shows you exactly how to position a high ticket transformation program. The opening visionary opportunity language immediately elevates the conversation beyond transactional resume writing. Notice how we position this as an evolution rather than a replacement of existing services. This reduces resistance to change. The career transformation advisory program name reframes the entire offering from a commodity service to a strategic partnership, which psychologically justifies premium pricing. Here in the market analysis and positioning section, we dive deep into market dynamics. The $17.1 billion market statistic provides context and credibility, but more importantly, we identify the shift from transactional services to premium high-value propositions. This isn't just market analysis, it's change management psychology. We're exploring why this evolution is necessary, not just what we're proposing. The Great Stay Insight demonstrates deep market understanding that goes far beyond surface-level career advice. This level of market sophistication signals to prospects that we understand their business environment at a strategic level, not just a tactical resume writing. And down here over in the phase 1 through 4, we create logical progression that addresses the complete customer journey. Notice how each phase builds on the previous step: strategic blueprint, discovery, digital arsenal execution, human connection, skill development, and partnership advantage ongoing support. This structure does two things. It justifies the premium investment by showing a comprehensive value, and it reduces risk by breaking the transformation into manageable phases. Phase 4 is particularly important because until you secure your ideal position, it removes the risk from the prospect's perspective. They're not just buying a service, they're buying a guaranteed outcome. The partnership model we've outlined here, it demonstrates genius from a business development perspective. Instead of pitching services to a prospect, we're proposing a strategic alliance that leverages existing expertise while adding business development capability. This positions the conversation as peer-to-peer rather than vendor to client. Finally, here's our own Stacking Clients landing page. This is where the meta strategy becomes clear. Everything we built for the career services expert demonstrates our methodology applied to our own business. Our hero section, the only B2B agency that builds your complete YouTube authority system before you invest a single dollar, is the same pattern interrupt strategy we used in the career services page. We're positioning against traditional agencies that take your money up front, just like we positioned the career expert against traditional resume services. Notice how our entire page proves our capability through demonstration rather than claims. We don't just say we build YouTube systems, we built one and you're watching the content from it right now. This is the authority through action, which is the highest form of credibility. Our application process mirrors the exclusivity we built into the career services offer, limited strategic partnership qualification criteria, and a consultative approach rather than a transactional sale. So there you have it, 3 complete web assets that demonstrate our build before buy methodology. If you're in career services watching this, you've just seen your potential authority system. The VSL page, the proposal structure, and the partnership model are all ready to deploy. For our Stacking Clients subscribers, you've seen how we think strategically about market positioning, conversion psychology, and a premium offer construction across 3 different contexts. If you're ready to see what a complete YouTube authority system looks like for your business, click the link down below to apply for a strategic partnership demo. We'll build your complete system first, then show you how it works. Thanks for watching. This is Gabe from Stacking Clients. I'll see you in the next breakdown.